Welcome to Lingua Mind. In today's episode, you will hear about daily life abroad. This story is made for B1-B2 level English learners. It will help you improve your listening, vocabulary, and confidence. Let's begin. Moving abroad is a big adventure. You leave behind everything familiar. The streets, the language, even the food is new. At first, you might feel nervous or even lost. You arrive at the airport. People speak fast. You smile and try to understand. You take a taxi or public transport. You check into your new home. Maybe it's smaller than what you're used to. Maybe it's shared with strangers. But slowly you make it yours. You hang up pictures, cook your favorite food, and make it feel like home. You start to understand street signs, learn how to buy a ticket, and figure out how to open a bank account or buy a SIM card. Simple things become daily lessons. You go shopping and learn new words. At the bakery, can I have 2 croissants, please? At the pharmacy, I need something for a cold. Sometimes people don't understand you. Sometimes you don't understand them. That's normal. Don't give up. Use simple English. Point if you need to. Repeat if necessary. You will improve, step by step. You also learn new habits. In some countries, people take off their shoes at the door. In others, they greet with a kiss or a handshake. You observe, adapt, and grow. Meeting people is both exciting and scary. You join a language class, a gym, or a club. You say things like, "Where are you from? What do you do? Do you want to grab a coffee sometime?" At first, the conversations are simple. But over time, they become real. You talk about music, food, family, even your dreams. You learn cultural rules too. In some places, being late is normal. In others, it's rude. You might laugh at different jokes or feel surprised by how people live. And that's okay. These differences make the experience richer. The more open you are, the more you learn. Some days are hard. You miss your language, your food, your family. It rains. You feel alone. You want to go home. But remember, this is part of the journey. You are learning not just English, but also strength, courage, and independence. You call your family, cook your favorite dish, or take a walk. You remind yourself why you came. You look at how far you've come. And soon, things start to feel better again. Living abroad is not easy, but it is life-changing. You will grow in ways you never expected. You will learn not just words, but ways of thinking. You will become more confident, more curious, and more connected to the world. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speak, listen, ask, and learn. You are doing something amazing. And every single day, your English is getting better. Thank you for listening to Lingua Mind. Keep practicing. See you in the next episode.